Hi everyone, welcome to the Spring 123 review for SSW rules. So after the migration, we fixed a bunch of new bugs over the past weeks. So now let's jump right into the email. So in this sprint, we had only one sprint goal, which is to fix bugs that are breaking the website. And this is mainly about the two important bug PBIs, and both of them are completed. So we marked the sprint goal as achieved now. Just started the meeting.
C'est la sprint review ou le post?
Wait, no, c'est sprint review.
Tu m'as fait?
Sorry, yeah. Let's keep going, and then you can find the staging and the production environment here. Now, as for the backlog, so these two PBIs are just related to our sprint goals. The first one, let me show you. It's a bug where the links and YouTube video did not work correctly inside the boxes, and this has been fixed. So in the screenshot, you can see that the video and the link, they cannot render properly inside the box. And another PBI is about the related rules.
If you had a run code auditor, would have it told you that there was a bunch of missing links and the count would have been lower?
No, because I think a code auditor couldn't detect this because they were not for each errors.
Yes, but code auditor gives you the total number of links as well.
Yes.
So these would have been a lower count, not a 404, but just less links.
Yes, correct. Yeah, just keep going. Another PBI is about the related rules. So previously, if the related rule URL is not invalid, this will cause the whole page crash. This will crash the whole page and cause the 404 errors like this one. So we fixed this 404 problem, and we also have added warning boxes like this. So if the related rules URL is not working, it will show up on the page and the users can click on this link to edit it directly in the Tina admin page.
That's a very, very big box. I think that should be smaller.
That's what she said.
If you think of Apple devices, they don't even show you the error message. They kind of just close. That's very in your face. I know it encourage you to fix it. It seems big. Anyway, it's not a big deal.
Why don't you make it a banner? Like, why isn't it the whole width?
Yeah, or just compress it and then you can expand it because not everyone's interested in that message.
Yeah.
Or maybe
if you open a new email and there's one of the add-ins failing for whatever reason, and you get like it's a very thin. There's a lot of information, but it's very thin with a dismiss button.
And I think we should have the writing in black as well.
All right, writing in black and make it a bit more compressed. We'll find the best.
Maybe we can add it under the need help there because that's where the related rules are there.
Yes. Say again? And don't have the box any wider than that first box underneath it. And I'd put the llama emoji just so you know it's to do with Tina.
So we want this box to be here under the need help.
Yeah, I'd have the box less wide. And see how it says open an admin panel? I would say open the Tina CMS admin.
Okay, just taking the note. Open the Tina CMS admin. Yeah, it's noted. I'll create a PBI to fix the UI.
I would honestly just say fix the issue. The link should be just fix the issue with the llama. That's it. Less is more.
Oh, don't start.
That's a good saying, John.
That's a good what? Sorry.
That's a good saying.
Yeah, I know. I came up with that saying, and I use it all the time now.
The famous French saying.
Yeah.
Best French saying since "C'est la vie" by Napoleon Bonaparte.
Oh God.
So
you got
instead
all
of putting open the TINA CMS admin, we should put fix the issues with Llama, correct?
I would say just fix the issue, but it doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Well, we need to know what the issue is, right? So in this case, if there's other issues, people will click on it because there's so we need that broken related rule reference. We need that as that's the only thing that you're going to be able to fix when clicking on that link. If people see formatting issues, they think they're going to click on there and they can fix that too.
Look, I would compress it as much
Let's
as
take this
possible.
offline. But
Yeah.
Chloe, did you do this, and who did you get to check it?
No, it was done by Jill.
Okay, who did Jill get to check it?
I checked that.
Okay, then you checked it. Yeah. So after you check it, I would get Jean to check something very visible like that, or Gert if you can be on, if you can wait.
Okay. Yeah. So now let's keep going. And also in this sprint, we have implemented a very cool thing in the pipeline. So Aman worked on this one. Maybe you can go through it with us.
Yeah, I quickly share my screen.
Yeah.
So after CTF, we had an issue where we were getting 404 error, and it's very hard to manually go through all the links to see if it's returning 200 status. So I have added a pipeline, the crawl sitemap, which will crawl through all the pages through our website, and it will return the result. Like if we click the summary, it will show us that it has crawled 3,933 pages, and we didn't get any 404 error. So it's good to have just to see if there is no 404 there anymore. Any question on that? We haven't actually placed this somewhere in the middle of our pipeline yet, because we just wanted to monitor it first. If we get more 404 errors, then maybe we will place it somewhere before we push something to the production.
Yeah. Thank you, Aman. Just let me reshare my screen. And also, here are the main issues we currently have for the production. So both of them are related to the TINA. They will need to be fixed on the TINA side. So the first one is the search issue. It's still not working. So after creating rules, or if you want to search a rule on the TINA page, you will find the search bar. You can type something in, but you can't see the correct result. So the TINA team is still fixing this one. And another issue is about the nested components. They can render on the page, but the problem is we can't edit them in the TINA admin. If you try to edit them, this will crash the whole pages. So we have already reported the issue to the TINA team, and they will need to discuss this one because it's not an easy fix for them. And just for your information.
Did you take the new search stuff from the TINA team today?
Yes, I did. Took it from yesterday release, but we had some other issues. We have to roll back to the previous version.
All right. I will have. I'll have you send a message to Jack, Brooke, and Ivan, and I'll make sure they're on this first thing tomorrow morning.
I have already reached out them. So Isaac and Jack B are on it.
Okay. If there's no more question, we'll just keep going. Here's the time spent. You can see the numbers in the chat. And it was a 7 days sprint and with 17.5 man days. And then we had 7 release in this sprint. The current version is 1.3.7. And then for the AI usage, nothing new from the last sprint. So it's the same as last week.
Okay, I
And
might
then,
ask you, from now on, Chloe, I think we should take our consumption usage as well. Like, we really want to be trying to hit our consumption usage as much as we have. Like, I think, you know, as much as you can, you should be pushing the limits of this. Who in the team do you think is the gold standard that's using AI the most, kicking off processes and having it come back a little while later?
so you mean who used the AI most?
Yes, I mean that the goal is that you guys are coming to me saying, we have a problem. We've used all our consumption. We need extra. That's what I'm trying to get to. And what you might want to do is make sure you talk about that as a team each day in the daily scrum. And maybe I get you some extra coaching from some of the other guys if necessary, if you've done everything you can do.
Yeah, I think I will need some
You're
coach.
talking about using up all the credits and still not getting a solution because there might be the
I'm
wrong
not sure they're
prompts.
using their credits at all. Yeah. So maybe that's a good question just to put in their consumption. So when they talk about this, they go, you know, Chloe says, you know, I've used this much of my Azure credits or my Copilot credits, etc. And then we realize that they're hitting the walls and that they need more.
Okay. We'll do that from the next sprint review, Chloe.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, sorry, from the next daily stand-up, because we need to check daily with who's using AI and how much they are using it.
Yeah, and if you feel perplexed, I would add Callum into the daily scrum just to say, what should we do? Yeah.
Okay. It's noted. Then now move on to the Copilot stat. So Copilot stats mentioned that the main item completed was fixing the 2 bugs that were breaking the website. And this is accurate. Then if there's no more questions, we can start the sprint retro. So in this sprint, we had a lot of bug fixes, as you can see from the backlog. And we also have a lot of yak shapes from the CTF, but most of them were no issues. And Aman said that there's no more performance issues after we upgraded the service plan from B1 to PV03. For what didn't go so well, which is we upgraded the TINA to the latest version, but this caused more new issues, so we had to downgrade it. And then we still
when did that happen?
This afternoon, Adam.
Oh, this afternoon.
So
okay.
we updated
Can you make sure there is an email to the entire TINA team? Like that's if that version went public, that's terrible.
I think it's more specific to how we have implemented few things on rules.
Right. It's not TINA itself. It's how you've implemented it. I've got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. And also we are still waiting for TINA team to fix the search functionality. So do you have any questions? All good?
All good.
Okay, now let's move on to the spring forecast for spring 124. So for next sprint, our sprint goal is to fix issues around categories, because in this sprint, got some new bugs around the categories, and those will need to be investigated and fixed. So here's the backlog. We highlighted some important ones. The first one is for the category, and we also found some links are not working on the search page. And the third one is to improve the user experience. Do you have any questions for the backlog? No questions? Okay. And so this is going to be a 1-week sprint with 11.5 man days. So Jake, for now, we think he's not available for rules. So this will only be worked by me and other French team guys and a man. So, and then for the Copilot stats, the next key action point is to highlight and prioritize the most critical PPIs for the upcoming sprint. This is not very exact, but we should focus on fixing category-related issues and the search page link bugs. This is somehow accurate. And if everyone's happy, do you have any questions?
All good.
All good? Okay. So as usual, the recording to this meeting will be uploaded to the SSW YouTube channel. And thanks everyone for joining us. I will see you in the next week.
Thanks, Chloe.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Chloe.
guys. Bye.